Think metallic inks are just for stamping? Well, think again. Today we're diving into 7 unexpected creative ways to use metallic pigment inks to add shimmer, texture and bold impact to your projects. Let's get into it. First up, resist and reveal. Emboss your design in clear embossing powder, then brush metallic pigment ink over the whole surface. Buff the top with a paper towel and watch your design pop through. It's easy and eye-catching. Technique 2. Layered stencil backgrounds. Use metallic ink with a sponge or blending tool over a stencil to add dimension to already coloured backgrounds. The ink catches the light and adds depth without overpowering the base layer. Number 3. Luxe edges. Add metallic pigment ink to the edges of your cards, journal pages or die cuts for a foiled look. There's no special equipment needed. Just dab it on and heat set it gently. Technique 4. Texture rubbing. Rub ink over textured surfaces like embossed cardstock from embossing folders. Lightly rub the metallic ink over the top and watch textures emerge just like magic. Number 5. Metallic spatter effects. Add drama and movement to your backgrounds by flicking metallic ink onto your project. Just load up a stiff brush or paintbrush, tap or flick over your page and heat set. The result? Instant galaxy, stars or abstract shimmer. Technique 6. Blending. Blend metallic pigment ink with darker pigment inks to create custom gradients. You can get an iridescent fade that's subtle but seriously stunning. And finally, number 7. Embossing lowlights. Gently rub metallic ink over a dry embossing folder to make the background gleam. It's an easy way to make foiled backgrounds, especially on dark or coloured cardstock. Metallic pigment inks are more versatile than most people realise. It's all about how you use them. Let us know in the comment section below what you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like, subscribe and keep crafting. Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.